Hello guys, in today's video we're going to talk about how to fix Instagram dark mode problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings as you see, then scroll down to the apps, and now go to the search and search on Instagram. So now as you see, next go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache. Click on it, then you will find you must go to check if it worked. If it didn't work, you can try to restart the phone, and if it didn't work again, you can try to maybe clear data. But be careful, when you clear data you will lose all your data and all your stuff. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.